Thursday morning, and we're now at the 6th of October, 2022, about 8:35 a.m. Central Time. So as the market's getting itself going, it's a mixed bag. You've got the Russell and the NASDAQ higher. You've got the Dow and the S&P lower. The dollar's up another good amount, 60 some odd points at the expense of Europe. I think that the market's going to look at Europe and understand that what OPEC did, as much as we hate what they did, Europe just feels even more pressure because they buy so much oil from them. It's going to be a problem there. My prediction is the U.S. Congress and the President are going to get together and they're going to attack the pricing power of OPEC, cartel, monopoly, price manipulation. You're going to hear all those things. Grain market's feeling a bit of pressure. This morning when I was out in my morning flash update, I was telling my clients that had bought the corn market, might be a good time to just scratch the trade, come out of it. Looks to me as though you've got some problems there. There's too much price pressure on it. Bonds and notes not really going anywhere. We did get the unemployment claim, so we'll get to that in a second. Gasoline prices. All I hear in the U.S. news is how much they're going to soar now to the upside. They figure that the OPEC move yesterday worth another quarter a gallon nationally, so interesting. Sitting pretty still with the prices in the Brent and so on. U.S. is now reaching out to Venezuela, trying to get Maduro to make some movement so that we can get Chevron to produce more oil and get the oil from them flowing. There's going to be a lot of back actions going on. OPEC made no friends in America by this move. So interesting. I hope that what it does is it gets Congress and the President to do more with the pipelines from Canada. That could be a good thing. Now, in talking about the day's action, Challenger and Gray, their September U.S. planned job cuts, they came in at 29,989. The prior month was 20,485. That's a third more. That's a heck of a lot. Jobless claims, finally in the right direction for the Fed, but not a big number. They came in at 219 in the week October 1st. They had expected it at 203. Even the continuing claims up. So these are moves in the right direction. While the stock market didn't rally very much on it, and that's because they're not big moves, at least they're not dropping in those. We get today the EIA natural gas storage. You're looking for 115 billion cubic feet. We have Fed speakers talking right now throughout the whole day. There's a group of them coming out. Eurozone economic data. That came in down 0.3 on the month versus the expected down 0.4. And new car registration, surprising. They were up nicely in Germany, up 14%. By the way, today Porsche overtook Volkswagen in Europe as the most valuable auto manufacturer. Isn't that interesting how that happened? Now, remember that today at 12:30, we have our live webinar. I'll open it up at 12:15 so you can get your registrations in, everything there. I've received a tremendous amount of requests on what we're doing. We are overbooked in it, I can tell you that. First time we've done that, major overbooking. So first come, you're in. After that, some of you may not just make it, so I'd race to get in if I were you. It's that simple. And if you notice, I haven't sent out any more invites or telling you how to do that any longer because we are so booked. All right, everything else, let's see what it does. I will talk to you all at the end of the day with our market updates. Let's get ready for that 12:15 opening of the webinar, 12:30, all the questions. We should have a ball for 20 minutes. You have a good day.